Yeah, so there's a couple of really important things to know about your claiming age. First of all, when it comes to your personal benefits, that's Social Security benefits based on your own work record, you can claim as early as age 62 and they max out at age 70. The earlier you claim, the less you get per month, but the earlier your benefits start. The later you claim, the higher your benefits per month, but the later your benefits start. So just to make this really clear with a numerical example, let's say that your full retirement age benefit is $1,000 per month. If you were to claim at age 67, you'd get $1,000 per month. If you were to claim at age 62, you get 70% of that. So you get $700 per month. Whereas if you claim at age 70, you get 124% of that, which is $1,240 per month. So there's a lot of different things that you ought to consider when you think about claiming Social Security. Number one, some people just need the money up front. So there's a lot of people out there who just need the money because they're unemployed or underemployed, or they have large expenses and they just want to claim at age 62. That's a perfectly good reason to do that. But another key input, along with some other things like taxes and your effects on Medicare premium, and a lot of things that are covered in some of the blog content that we have on Fruition, is your expected lifespan. So if you sit down and think about it, it makes sense to claim earlier if you're expected to live not so long, because you want to get your earlier benefits sooner in that case. Whereas if you're expected to live a very long time, now you're expecting a lot of monthly payments, and that higher monthly payment from claiming at age 70 really makes a big impact for you.
When we're talking about these different strategies, who might benefit from claiming early versus somebody who has the ability to wait until past full retirement age?
Yeah. So, I mean, I think lifespan is one key consideration here. Of course, I just mentioned need for the money, whether or not you're married. So that's a really, really critical consideration to whether or not you want to claim early and claim late, because there's a lot of strategic decisions about how you combine your different benefits in order to max things out. And one common piece of wisdom that I think is good for the vast majority of households is that whoever has the higher benefit should probably consider claiming late if they can afford to do that, because they are able to pass along their benefit to their surviving spouse when they pass away in the form of a survivor benefit. So that benefit not only lives as long as them, but it lives as long as their surviving spouse. So it's potentially very long lived. And then it makes sense for that person with a higher Social Security benefit to maybe claim later at age 70.